Well, the kittens are a week old now. Yes, Squeaks, they're a week old. Yes, you've done well. And I was a little worried about them this morning. Oh, sorry, Squeaky, you're not in the video enough. No. So I thought they're a bit lethargic. They're not moving very much. So I popped them on the scales. And it turns out, yes, they were in fact in a milk coma. They have almost doubled their birth weights. Tangle's now 198 grams, Errol's 191 grams. They were born at about 97 grams and 106 grams, I think. Squeaky! Their eyes aren't open yet, but as you can see, this is going to be... They're too young to play, obviously. They're 7 days old, but this is the very, very beginnings of what's going to turn into play. They've just started possibly slightly being aware of each other and, you know, wanting to punch each other in the face because, you know, that's what kittens do the first time they become aware of each other. And that stage lasts for a very, very long time. Kind of a lifetime, really. Ooh, other cat. Punch it in the face. Oh, right, Squeaky's being distracting here. Hello, yes. How about you go in with them and I'll keep petting them. I'm petting you. Oh, we had a weeble moment there. You didn't squash her, did you, Squeaky? Oh, look at that. This is Squeaky's Super Happy Paws. It slightly impedes the extracting of milk. But nothing will stop this pair getting their milk. Will it, Squeaks? No. Come on, you great weeble. You've had so much milk already you can't move properly. There we go. There we go. Squeaky! Oh. Oh. Punching each other in the face. We'll be expecting the eyes to open within a couple of days, and that will again be very exciting. Oh dear. Tangle is pinned. Errol, let her go. Let her get the milk. There we go. God. Who's an idiot?